Mmm, tasty candy. Hello guys. In our last video, my sister here opened princess eggs. But now, she's my assistant. And our assistant picked my eggs that we're going to do first. Okay? There's a red egg. Wonder what it is. Yep, it matches my shirt. Kai, the red ninja of fire from Anaconda Crusher.
Okay, here's you another egg.
Okay, this egg. Another egg? Let's see what is in this egg. Nail polish.
Mine! Thanks! You brought it for me.
Now the last egg roll.
Dad gave it.
My Cub Scout thing. I don't know what it is, but it's my Cub Scout thing. Hey, guys, do you want any of this candy? Too bad.
Ooh,
Make sure you subscribe. Comment down below.
Okay.
And you can watch the next video on Nona Gigi. Bye.
Okay, now let's do my